Alright, we got the yeswelder flux135 out again today. This will be the second time I've used it today. When I bought it, I didn't realize I'd use it that much. Fixing to weld a nut on the back of here, and I'll show you what I've done it for when I get through. Alright, what I was doing is putting a nut on there to tighten that bolt into when the plow goes up in there. Hold it tight, kind of like this. And what has happened is we stripped that first one out, so I just put another one. I chased the threads and with a tap and die, and I just welded another good one on top of that, just to kind of back it up and hold it a little better. If that don't work, I'll cut it off, and they need to be bigger. This is just something I've been working on for a while, just playing. They need to be a little bit bigger nut and bolt, so you can tighten down on them and not strip them out. Again, this is yeswelder flux135. Purchased it used. They had never used it. It was still in the box. Alrighty, on to the next one. Appreciate y'all watching.